Alright, welcome back everyone for another episode of Rob's Numismatic Archaeology. We're going through a box of nickels again. Got my microscope, got the box, got my books, and we're ready to hunt. Let's see what we find. Alright guys, second roll. We have our first find. This one's going to be a 1959. And this one's going to be out of Denver. Alright, let's see what we find on these next rolls. Alright, we're finally back. 5 rolls later, we end up with a good find. 1950. And shoot, it's not the Denver. I need the Denver. It is a Philadelphia, which is a better date. About 9 million, I believe. Let me check the book. And 9.7 million. So, still a good find. But still looking for that 1950D for the book. So, we're going to keep going. See what else we can get. Alright, and we're back. We have another find. 1958. This one is going to be out of Denver. Alright, let's keep going on these rolls. Alright, well, looky what I found. A couple rolls later. 1940. Let's see where it's from. That is a San Francisco. Not too bad. Not too bad. Alright, let's see what else we can get. Alright, so it looks like we have another find. 1958. This one's going to be out of Denver. Alright, we got a lot more rolls to go. Let's see what we can get. Alright, so we finally have another find. 1952. That one's going to be out of Denver. Alright, let's see what else we can get. Everyone, I spy a 1939. Is it the 1939D, which I need for my book? No, it's not the key date. It's the normal 1939 Philadelphia. Alright, we're going to keep going, see if we can find anything good. Well, this is a surprise. Looks like we have our first foreign find. Uncertain what the country of origin is. I want to say China. Could be Japanese. It has a big 5 at the back. So, anybody in the comments, let me know what you think it is. No, we're going to keep going. Alright, everyone, look at this. Very nice toned and toasty 1959 out of Philly. Let's take a look at the microscope. Pretty decent shape. I see some steps, obviously not full steps, but it is in pretty good condition for that age. That's nice toning right there. So that is a pretty good find. And we're going to continue on and see what else we can get. Alright, so continuing on, and a few rolls later, we got a find. We have a 1946. This one is going to be out of San Francisco. It's a good find. About 13 million of that one. So, alright, let's see what happens next. And yet, we have another find. About 4 rolls later, coming up with this 1961. This thing is a gem. This thing, pretty shiny. Looks barely circulated. I did check the microscope. There is no steps. It's a Philadelphia. Still, you don't find it in this condition very much. So, it's a good find. And let's see what we find next. Alright guys, we're back with another find. Got a 1952. Let's see what this is out of. That looks to be, that is a Denver. Not too bad. Hopefully we can find silver. Alright, we're getting down to the end. Last 4 rolls. Hopefully we get something good. So we're back. So that box didn't yield us very many finds, but it did yield us some. We ended up with the 1939, which is our oldest from Philadelphia, and 1940. That one's from San Francisco. It's a good date. 46, San Francisco, also a good date. And 1950, Philadelphia, which is it's a lower mintage, about 9 million, I believe. We have 2 1952s. These ones are going to be out of Denver. We have 2 1958s out of Denver. And then we have 2 59s, one out of Philly, one's out of Denver. Then we have our foreign find. I'm actually not quite sure where this is from. If anybody knows, send me a link in the comments. We got 3 2009s Denvers, lower mintage. And these ones were the nicer ones I want to keep on to. 61 Philly and another 61 Denver. In pretty decent shape considering how old they are. And a 68, which is a pretty good shape also. So all in all, not the best hunt, but we did get some results. So we'll see you on the next one.